Guys, in this video, inulit namin to. Guys, ito yung luma niyang baril.
Oo, na rin natanggal. Tanggalin natin.
Pag, akin na lang. Akin na lang.
Oo. Para tanggalin mo. Tandaan mo lang kaya. Oo, huwag mo kaya.
Where is the calendar? Bro, I have this big thing.
Oh.
So guys,
Oh, shit.
I'm just gonna get all of the guns.
That's so weird. Ah. Mag-usama na kayo.
This is my favorites.
Oy, baka sabihin mo. Oy.
It's my favorite.
Mag-subscribe kayo. Babaril namin kayo. No? Gusto lang mag-subscribe na makakatay sila.
Kung sino hindi la,
Kung sino na nag-subscribe, bibigyan namin ng free revolver. At ang agila dito. Desertigin.
bro, this thing is heavy, guys.
Our guns are freaking heavy.
Super heavy.
Yeah, it's really super. Ito yung sinira mo.
This thing I broke it.
Yeah, you broke it because you go like. It goes like this. Tuloy lang.
Guys, this is our bullet. We're gonna put it in here, guys.
But that's the Jolin.
It's gonna fit.
Bro, this is the real bullet. Guys, this is the real bullet. But it's from training. It's from training, guys.
The gun is hurt. When I hit you with my gun, you're gonna be crying for pain. Right? Bro's been pranked the whole time.
Wow, fuck you.
What did you say to me?
Nothing. Oh,
Subscribe na kayo.
meron ba?
Babarilin ko kayo.
Ang sakit.
Dito nag-end yung video natin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe, boys, and
Peace
like
out.
and comment. Peace out. Subscribe.